If there are musty odors in your vehicle, you know there must be mildew, mold, fungi, or other bacteria growing somewhere, and it will be hazardous to your family's health, especially for children and those with allergies. And as long as there is a supply of moisture, it's not going away. And the source of the bacterial growth is never easy to get to because it's growing in the evaporator, which in most cases is concealed between the dash and firewall of the engine compartment. This means that the odor coming out of the vents into the vehicle comes from a place that you can't see or get to without major disassembly. You need to get rid of whatever insidious bacteria is festering and, as the odor indicates, has become airborne. This moisture stagnates, bacteria and fungi cultivate, and are released when the air is circulated. The air that enters the evaporator from the outside may include dust, smog, and debris. Recirculated air from the cabin may have a history of tobacco smoke and other odors. Ultimately, the evaporator can become an incubator and a dispenser of allergens, mold, mildew, and fungi to all vehicle passengers. BG Frigi-Clean, part number 712M, cleans vital system components and helps lower AC temperature. Restoring clean, fresh air to passengers requires the cleaning of debris and contaminants on evaporator surfaces to eliminate bacterial growth and to sanitize air vent surfaces that direct air to and from the vehicle. BG Frigi-Clean is a cleaning foam that loosens and removes contaminants from the evaporator without the need to dismantle the system. Be sure and read the instructions before performing this application on a vehicle. First, shake the can of BG Frigi-Clean, part number 712M, and clip on the applicator. Start the engine and turn the AC on high and recirculate for 5 minutes or until condensation is visible from the drain hose. Remove the cabin filter from the vehicle if equipped. With the engine still running, point the spray nozzle into the inlet of the air suction duct and spray the cleaner into the vent for 10 seconds. Then wait a few seconds to allow the fan motors to blow the BG Frigi-Clean foam inside the evaporator case. Repeat every 10 seconds until the can is empty. Leave the AC running for about 5 minutes with the doors and windows closed. Reinsert the filter or replace it with a new one if necessary. Application of BG Frigi-Clean is complete. BG Frigi-Clean restores the air conditioner efficiency and freshens interior air. It will remove mold, mildew, fungi, and bacteria from the AC evaporator and help everyone breathe easier. This service should be performed twice a year.